Yeah. This is moving.
Let it move. Okay.
You're finally here.
Girls, when they
For a
finally
date.
get that washroom. Pink plus nude.
Okay.
You know?
You want? I have this. You are looking like this. Katrina Kaif.
KBB, no, so the jelly one. See, I also watch all the videos written about KBB because I have this jelly one was launched as jelly flash. It's called jelly flash. You apply like this and you're like, oh my god, it's pink. But it's not that good. I have shots. But उसके reviews मैंने देखे, it's like it's not pigmented and it takes a lot of brush to actually give it's okay, it's better than Rare Beauty के बहुत ज़्यादा.
Which reel we will make today?
I don't know. It's been really long. I've made a reel.
I will like download Instagram now. I had downloaded but I uninstalled
Actually,
it.
I need to pee. Either you pee or I pee.
I go out and you pee.
Yeah, obviously you go out and I pee.
I can hide it.
She wants me to pee in front of her,
I can do this.
but you can still hear.
जब मैं छोटी थी तो मम्मी बोलती थी तू कर ले मैं खड़ी उधर साइड में.
Go.
Okay.
और फोन चालू मत रखना वरना आवाज आएगा.
पलक पी कर रही है प्राइवेसी सॉरी अब ये वीडियो बंद करना पड़ेगा.
There was something lying inside. Chilla Killa. Philo chips. That is good. I've heard that is good.
Yeah.
But it has 5, but we can't.
It is worth 800. 800 divided by 5 कितना होता है?
Guys, this is the first time she's here in a nice restaurant to eat. And she has been bragging about the prices since the time we came here.
इतना सा है उंगली जितना है. I swear
He was
इतना
just
है.
talking.
तीन इसकी phalanges
When the waiter was right here, right next to me.
160 रुपए का वो 160 रुपए का
I
एक
told
piece है.
her.
मतलब टोटल जो है 800 रुपए का है.
I told her it's a date. It's on me because the time when I told you.
को खर्चा नहीं करवाना चाहती. मैं चाहती हूँ सस्ते में.
But I'm not your boyfriend.
घर चली जाए.
I'm not your boyfriend. But you said it's a date. But the last birthday, I remember that was the gift that I was supposed to give.
Expensive tequila which I cannot even pronounce how it says. How is it said?
Chilla Killa,
whatever.
Chilla Killa.
I
want her to try sushi and I want her to try the pizza. You haven't tried pesto ever?
We're not gonna try anything except for the sushi and the pizza that you have just ordered.
दाल मखनी खाऊंगा, पनीर खुरचन खाऊंगा, गार्लिक नान खाऊंगा, उसके बाद गुलाब जामुन खाऊंगा आइसक्रीम के साथ, उसके बाद रेडी से कसाटा आइसक्रीम खाएंगे.
Which is going to exceed 1,500, which was not even a plan.
Oh my god. I'm literally gonna shoot her. So the first time I tried sushi. Shoot. Yeah, I'll shoot her when she's trying sushi. Why? Because that will be the first time she'll try sushi. Because I recorded myself. The first time I tried sushi, so we'll record her.
देख मैं खुद जापानी वाली इंसान.
What are your thoughts on sushi? Just tell me that.
It's basic rice. You do not pay 800 for rice.
No, it's
With
fucking
vegetables
not.
inside.
It's not.
And we are
It's so
vegetarians.
different.
तो अपने को उसके अंदर की वो अलग-अलग मछलियाँ भी खाने को नहीं मिलेगी. अब सब्जी खा रहे हैं.
You know what is asparagus? You know what is tempura?
I know tempura. I know okonomiyaki. I know.
First tell me what is tempura.
Teriyaki.
No. First tell me what is tempura.
It has something to do with fish. Every Japanese dish is
No.
seafood.
No, tempura is the crispy base that you use to deep fry, and for the crunchiness, they.
It's like a mix of corn flour, maida, and some soy, and they.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
It's like bhajia. Bhajia का बोलता ना.
35 में मिलता है अपने लोग भजिया.
No, but it's not exactly bhajia. You will know what is sushi when you try it.
I'm not with her.
I can say the same.
मैं रिकॉर्ड करी ताकि later on I can put a voice over कैसे इस चीज़ के you have paid. मैं नहीं यूज करने वाली ये क्योंकि मुझे आते भी नहीं. मैं गिरा दूंगी कपड़ों के ऊपर.
A few moments later.
रुक डायरेक्टली मैं छोड़ूंगी नहीं तो जो है वो भी चला जाएगा मेरे हाथ में. रुक मेरे को हाथ देखने देते हैं ढंग से. अंगूठा, पहली उंगली, दूसरी उंगली. स्टिल नॉट मूवेबल बट आई कैन एटलीस्ट पिक वन.
बिकॉज अभी सुशी खा रहे हैं तो इसमें कुछ हिलाना नहीं है. ये होता है सामने प्याज.
पराठा ये खाए नहीं अपन नहीं. इधर
No.
नहीं खाने.
You eat the sushi first and then I will tell you what is it.
मैं खा रही हूँ. आ नहीं रहा है ऊपर. गिरा. नॉनवेज तो नहीं है ना, मेरे को डर लग रहा है।
वेज रेस्टोरेंट.
लग रहा है पिंक के कलर का।
This is ginger.
What? Oh my god, we're eating something Japanese and we did not say itadakimasu before starting. You know, हिंदी ट्रांसलेशन होता है ना डोरेमोन का, तो मोर बोलते खाना शुरू करते हैं, तो सारे सब बेंड डाउन होते थे. That was basically itadakimasu translated to Hindi. It was a disrespect to the Japanese culture and we are actually recording the people behind us, which is embarrassing, so we're closing it.
Okay, आप pizza. It is huge.
It's okay. You're fat. There are people coming.
It's okay. So she is trying pesto pizza for the first time, and I hope she likes it.
तूने पहले ट्राई किया है?
Not from here, but I've tried pesto. You know what is pesto?
Green vegetable.
So pesto is made up of pizza and caramelized onions, which is basically little bit sweet, and with basil and all the.
तो क्या डालना है पहले वो डाल दे, मिर्ची डाल दे, ये डाल दे.
So I think we should try it without anything.
No.
Kora.
दाल
Dal.
भरना. आई आ भी नहीं रहा है कपड़े से चल रहा है इसको बनाने का करना होता
पूरा
है.
भर दिया है.
अरे तो पागल है, वो डाल देते थे.
तो ऐसे ही खाना पहले.
ओके अभी उसको दिखा, अब कितना सेक्सी लग रहा है बता. दिखा.
This is मेरा ट्रिप नहीं आ रही है यार.
दिख गया. खा लो ना इसको. सच बोलूं कैसा टेस्ट आ रहा है. रोटी भी है, उसको सेक दिया है, 2-3 पुरानी रोटी है, उसे सेका है, उसके पालक पनीर डाल दिया है, बहुत सारे घी साथ, बिल्कुल ऐसा टेस्ट आ रहा है.
It's basil.
ये लाल सॉस किसके टेस्ट है?
If you want to, it is to make this spicy.
डाल
Tabasco.
आने दे
The oil.
या वो. अरे डाल ऐसा कम मत डाल.
अरे it is spicy, Varsha.
A few moments later.
You want the show? You don't like it?
My disappointment is immeasurable.
It's good.
सॉस में तेल जैसा लग रहा है. चटनी लग रहा है, पूरा चटनी. सैंडविच का चटनी है, रोटी पे लगा के दे दिया है. I'm trying my best to not make a face.
अभी मैं गाली नहीं दे सकता.
नहीं गाली नहीं देना.
अब फैमिली देखती है, वरना मैं ऐसे गाली दूं, ऐसे गाली दूं ना, जिंदगी भर याद रखें ये बड़े हुए.
अगर तू ये खाएगी ना, तेरे को पता चलेगा. With pizza, ये खा.
One, two, three. 1, 2, मारो एक. बाप रे, ये कॉन्टिनेशन में अपने को कितना एफर्ट लग गया. बाप रे, क्या इन्फ्लुएंसर बनेगा रे तू. The moment of truth is here. बेशरम औरत. पलक, it's in 4 digits. साढ़े 2,000 है भाई.
तुम्हें अपनी सफाई में कुछ कहना है?
क्या कहना? जो करना था कर दिया, जो किया वो सोच समझ कर किया. अब कहना आपको है. फैसला सुना दीजिए, मुझे मंजूर है.
I'm not done yet.
Go ahead.
No, my finger.
Yeah, correct.
Oh my god, गिर जाएगा,
Your thoughts about it?
और जाना तो दे मुंह में, अभी तो पेट में भी नहीं. Just one attempt and you know, बीच में 2 attempt लग गए थे मेरे को. एक